How to lose weight while eating out, balancing fitness and lifestyle. So if you're someone like me with a full-time job and always gets out with friends, family during celebrations, especially you don't want to miss out this type of things, these are my 3 tips. So first one is by planning your weekly calories. Let's say for example, meron kayong feast sa Sunday or important celebration, pwede mong ibaba yung calories mo on a greater deficit in order for you to save up more calories dun sa weekend. Example dito is yung 2,000 calorie daily goal ko. Instead, ginagawa kong 1,700 calories para during the weekend, makakakain ako ng medyo mas mataas na calories and may enjoy ko with my loved ones. Number 2 is by bringing your own meal prep. Kung gusto mong mas accurate sa goals mo while being present sa mga gatherings or with your friends and families, this is a great way para mabalance yung socializing and yung fitness goals mo. Kung wala ka namang time para mag-prep, you can find some alternatives such as yung mga salad or mga fruits sa mga kinakainan para mas mababa yung calories na makukonsume mo at the same time, healthy pa rin. Number 3 is stay active. Sabi nga nila, if you want to eat more, move more. Kasi hindi lang naman sa caloric deficit na nakukuha yung calories out natin or pag-lose ng weight. At the same time, nakukuha rin natin siya sa activity level. So increase your activity level if you've enjoyed your weekend calories. At the end of the day, don't be too hard to yourself. Always find a way to balance your life and your fitness goals.